Hi to all friends. Today we are going to discuss about the virtual private server. What is the virtual private server and how to create it and how to use it. So we have the machines like laptop, CPU. These are machines are not the heavy duty machines. So we can't use them 24 hour and 7 days continue because we have the some interruption of electricity, sometime internet, and we have need the some software that need to 24 hour running like the our expert advisor. How to run these expert advisor? So this is the solution of this problem, and we use the virtual private server or the VPS to solve this problem. Today my video is about how to create VPS and how to purchase the VPS. For the purchasing of the VPS, this is a very simple. Go to Google and search. The many websites are there. They provide the virtual server machines on the rent. They will charge monthly rent, and the rent depend on the server type, server capacity depend on the machine RAM and the hard drive and the speed of the processor. So it depends on the your need, how much bigger you need. Otherwise, very simple, the account have the 1 GB RAM and with the Xeon processor. So once you purchase the server, the company provide you three things or the three credentials by which you connect your machine with the remote desktop. Remote desktop is the so far computer, that server machine that is remotely located, and you have the software that connect you with that machine. Today I am discussing about everything of this connectivity and how to use the EA in this machine. So it is very simple and easy to use. So now I am coming on my desktop and tell you how to connecting. First of all, go to start menu, come to the search, and here type remote. Once you type the REM, it will show on your screen. This is the remote desktop connection. This software used to connect with the VPS. Now see here, this pop-up box coming. In that, this is the remote computer IP address. First of all, we have to put the IP address here that provided to you by the company that have provided you the VPS. So the IP address here, look, 103.67.238.124 and 1024. So 1024 is the common. This IP address must you have that provided by the company. Second thing is the name. This is the user name. The username provided by company mostly is the administrator. So these also provided by the company, so you have to no need to worry about this. The third thing is the password that used to securely connected to you. Here you see, when you first time come here, this is the edit option. With this edit option, you can change the password that you have provided by the company. So click here and a new box coming for the password. Look here, update your credentials. mean before of this I have already provided my password and it is saved. So next time I use it will use, but I want to change, I can put the new password here. First time I have provided the password that company gave me. Okay, after this go to connect. Once you press the connect, the system will connecting with the remote area server. Here you see the configuration of this. Now this is the desktop of that machine that is so far, maybe the thousands kilometer from you. So now come see, this is the desktop. Windows 10 already activated on this, and here all the same like my own computers. So this, now I am using everything of that server. See, here we have to also, we have the Internet Explorer, we can put the Google Chrome also here. See, like here the Google Chrome also, you can go and install the software. Like I have already installed here the MT4 terminals. Here 1 2 3 4 5 terminals I have already installed on this. So you have the installation of MT4 terminals is the separate video. So I have already built this video. You can see my video how to install MT4 on your computer. So on your computer or the virtual server is the same. So come to the MT4, any MT4 you can use here. This is the one MT4 that I have already installed, and the expert advisor is running on this. You see, same, everything is same, nothing is the different here. So once, how do you put the your advisor on this? So I am telling you and giving you the detail how to putting the your expert advisor in your MT4 terminal in the virtual private server. Come to the file menu, open the data folder. Okay, once you open the data folder, then you have this box, and come to MQL4 folder. Again come to the expert folder. See here I have already copied my EA file. So the file that I provide you, you have to copy here, copy and paste here in this folder. Once you paste, copy and everything completed, then close this box. Okay, after closing you come to the navigator. In the navigator you have the option of the expert advisor. Right click on this and refresh this. After refreshing, you see your EA here. Now you want to run this EA, so click and drag on the desktop here. Because EA is already running, so we see this message. If EA not running, then we have no look this message. Okay, if you want to put, you can put, or you can change some setting from the EA, but I have provided the EA, no need to change. Use it with the default setting. Yeah, you can change, but if you have more amount, then for the big amount you change the lot size. Nothing to change any other thing. Okay, now see, once I close, the before running EA is not present here, it is also closed. Now again I am loading here. Okay, come here and I am changing the lot size, because now I have need the big lot size, because I have the more amounts. Okay, change and press the OK. This EA is loaded. Okay, this EA is loaded, each and everything is completed and it is working. So this is the very simple and easy way to use any EA on the VPS. After this you minimize your MT4. no need to close. If you close this, everything will be the close. So once you complete and minimize it, again I have running many EAs here, 1 2 third EA, this is the fourth EA, this is the fifth terminal. So I have the separate company terminal and separate MT4 that is running on the one VPS. If you have one VPS, then you can more terminal on that. So it depend on the your EA memory and the hard space. So very simple and very easy technique to use this. And after this everything completed, then you minimize all the terminals. Here is the cross option to for the close, here is for the minimize, and this is the restore. Once you close it, now I come to my desktop. So the system have running everything on that now, and my desktop is now clear. So this is a very easy way to run your EA for the 24 hour. If anything you not